Clear spot there.
Yes, you may.
Everybody get back and sit down for a second.
Everyone sit down.
Steele's got to break his board. He has 2 stations.
Yes, you may.
You're the greatest.
So are you.
How old are you, sir? How long? 5, sir? How long have you been training?
Year and a half.
About a year and a half?
Almost 2 years.
Can you remember being like a light bulb when you first started? You were too. Everybody's like that. Good job, sir. Go put your boards away.
Here,